Good morning, everyone. Today we'll see the methods of mass media. The common methods used are mass media, as we know, that is the television, film, radio, movies, internet, CDs, DVDs, and other devices like cameras and video consoles. Alternatively, print media used physical objects such as newspapers, magazines, brochures, newsletters, books, leaflets, and pamphlets as a mean of sending their information. So we will see one by one. Television. TV has become the most popular of all media. It is effective is in not only creating awareness but also to an extent influencing public opinion and introducing new ways of life. The importance of the television is given below. It is a good source of the entertainment. It keeps our knowledge up to date. Advertisement, information, general public about various health programs and now ideas. It provides us with the latest information. It contributes positively to the education of the society and provides the awareness and people. Then comes the radio. It is found nearly in every home. In many developing countries, the radio has a broader audience than the television, and it can also be seen in the remotes of the villages. The radio transmission services as a vital agencies of mass education if used effectively, as it is also approachable by poor people. Example, the government is promoting kangaroo mother care for a preterm and low birth weight babies through radio these days. Most common advantages of the radio are like this. It is cheaper and portable. It is good for mass education. Radio program with a dramatic effects and arouse positive emotions and reinforce positive attitude. It keeps our knowledge up to date. Then it is also good sources for entertainment, news, sports, and traffic events. Then people can listen radio even by closing their eyes, as it is only audience. Then comes the newspaper. The newspaper today plays a vital role in human affairs. Its importance has not been diminished by the appearance of radio or TV. Men no longer has to travel to get the information. Though the radio and TV convey important news and messages quicker than the newspapers, it is not only gives more details about a particular incidents but also contain more new items and it is easy to carry. The importance of newspaper is like that. They refresh our knowledge and ideas. They broaden our outlooks and changes views. They educate the common people. They shape the opinions of the common people of a country by influence public opinion. They are crises of administration, justice and laws. They remove the barriers separating men from men. They are advocates of liberty, equality and fraternity. They enforce the right and redress the wrong. Then comes the internet. Technically, the internet is all the computers in the world that are connected, including the technologies as well as wires and antennas that keeps all the computers talking to each other. This is a fast growing communication media and has a large potential to become a major health education tool. The importance of the internet for mass communication of health messages is like that. The internet is the gigantic library as well as the worldwide message, broad telephone network, and publishing medium. It is an open 24 hours a day and you can find anything you want there. In depth and up to date information, current events, and blog about any subjects are available. The foremost target of internet has always been communication, and internet has excelled beyond the expectations. The information is probably the biggest advantage the internet is offering. Information is probably the biggest advantages the internet is offering. Then entertainment is another popular reason, and many people prefer to use the internet for downloading games and chatting. Many services are provided on the internet, such as online banking, job seeking, purchasing tickets for all favorites, movies, hotel reservation, etc. E-commerce is the concept used for any type of commercial uh, maneuvering or business deal that involves the transfers of the information across the globe through the internet. This is the phenomena associated with any kind of the shopping on an internet. The disadvantages of internet is also there. If there is an advantage, there will be a disadvantage also. So what is the disadvantages of that? We will see theft of the personal information. Your personal information such as name, address, credit card details may be available on the internet. Spamming, it refers to sending unwanted emails in bulk which provides no purpose and needlessly obstructed the entire system. Virus threat. A virus is a program that disrupts the normal functioning of your computer system. Then pornography, it is the bigger threat related to your children's healthy mental life. Then come the printed material. Magazines, pamphlets, booklets, and handout have long been in use for a health communication. They are aimed to those who can read. Their usefulness lies in the fact that they can convey details. Then come the direct mailing. It is new innovation in health communication in India. The intention is to reach remote areas of the country with the printed words. Example, folders and newsletters, booklets and family planning, immunization and nutrition. Then comes the poster, billboard and science. These media are intended to reach, to catch the eye and create the awareness. Therefore, the message to be communicated must be simple and artistic. Posters are not expensive when one considers that they are seen by a large number of people. Motivates such as humors and fear are introduced in the poster to hold the public attention. Then comes the health museums and exhibitions. Properly organized health museums and exhibitions can attract a large number of people by presenting a large variety of ideas and increase knowledge and awareness. Photographic panel attract more persons than graphic panel. This is because photos give a humanized touch to the communication. Their dimensional model with a lighted visual are even more effective than photos. An exhibition, there is a big element of personal communication through workers who explain each item on the exhibits. Folk idea. In folk idea, we will see culture is presented and promoted by the traditions to a considerable extent. Tradition is the handing down of beliefs, experiences, and customs from one generation to the next, especially in the oral uh, form of oral form or by a process of traditional performance and communication. All over the world, the vehicle that has passed on tradition and customs and which has been contributing to national culture for the generation is folklore. Then folk media in term of mass communication out to refer to the totality of the communication which takes within its compass not only the electric media but also folk media such as Kirtan, Katha, folk songs, dance, dramas, and puppet show having root in our culture. Muslims have their own tradition folk from like ghazal and qawwali. Then importance of the folk media. Folk media in India has contributed a great deal in developing this vast sub-ointment into a single culture entity in spite of culture diversities created by linguistic and regional sub-nationalisms. So this was the folk media. Then comes the tradition media. Whatever the form of region has been impact the information, education and evoking respect for the social and ethical value through the stories drawn from them. Thus, tradition media is a mean of changing values, attitudes, and norms to provide a proper information generally from the same sources like Vedas, Purans, and epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. It is the method of promoting the certain behaviors, act, pattern, techniques, and facilities that the people may use to solve problems. Being close to the people at the local level, these channels are potentially useful in the service of social concern. Folk media is the personal form of entertainment and communication. This is important because behavioral changes are most easily brought about the personal interactions. Another advantages of folk media is they attract the people who might not attend the educational meeting. Skill and new knowledge may be added to the old form that are already familiar and dear to the people. It deals with the values such as status of the family's education and standards of living that are related to the family life. It is a mean of changing value, attitude, and norms to provide a proper climate for the social and economic progress. Then, limitation of folk media, on the other hand, include the dangers in overloading certain traditional channels with too many messages of an instrumental nature. Then selection and criteria for the using folk media. It should be determined whether the medium has an age of individually, in which case the positive identification of audience with the actor can be aged of change, or whether it is the entirely non-individuals. It should be noted whether the particular medium or any aspects of its tradition and features could be used by extended to a mass media presentation. If so, is desirable in related to both a medium and the message. Are the required resources, talent, materials, and texts available for the extensive utilization of the medium? Does the selected medium has entertainment value and or artistic appeal? It is a unique enough to prove a valuable communication channel. It is selected medium and relevant to the intended audience. So these was the methods of mass media communication. I think you understood the mass media. What is the mass media communication? There is a radio, television, newspaper, and internet, e-printing material, and printed material, direct mailing, poster billboard and sign, health museums and exhibitions, folk media, and there was a selection of criteria for the folk media. I think you understood about the methods of mass media. So if you like this video, like and share it. And if in your family anybody is there to get the admission or interested in nursing and as well as the paramedical courses, uh, we have a large campus, we have a large group of TSM. You can advise them to come and join the TSM because we are here. Variety of teachers are here, professors, tutors, assistant professors, principal, vice principals, and we have a healthy environment here. We have a Along with that, we have more than 700 bedded hospital, a big medical college is attached here. Not only attached, it is a parent hospital, more than 700 bedded. So you are most welcome. Okay, bye bye.